Welcome to the channel Motor Minded. Hey everyone, every luxury car claims to be the pinnacle. Yet once in a while, a vehicle truly redefines what luxury means. Enter the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. With handcrafted extravagance, ultra-quiet performance, and cutting-edge innovation, this is more than a car, it's a statement. Today, we explore why the Maybach S-Class stands head and shoulders above long wheelbase silhouette. Let's start with design, where elegance begins. Signature double-bar grille, illuminated Maybach emblem, ultra-sleek LED digital light headlights, extended wheelbase 18 cm longer than standard S-Class, enhancing rear space and imposing stance. Two-tone paint finishes, classic Maybach look plus exclusive shades like Edition Nordic Glow, Northern Lights Violet/Moonlight White, chrome accents, unique Maybach badges, exclusive 2021 forged wheels, e.g., champagne flute style. Aerodynamic design with smooth curves, digital adaptive lights, e-active body control lowering/lifting for style and function. Inside Nappa leather hand-stitched, open-pore wood trim, metal accents, ambient lighting with 64 selectable colors, optional diamond-cut quilting, manufacturer bespoke elements. Your car, your palette, heated/ventilated/massaging seats with multi-zone memory, calf rest in rear, panoramic sunroof, touch-sensitive dash and steering controls, slightly controversial but undeniably modern. Executive package seats recline up to 43.5 degrees, include footrests, massage, heated/ventilated function amenities. Refrigerated compartment, silver-plated champagne flutes, heated/cooled cup holders, fold-out tables, ambient lighting ambience, advanced soundproofing and active noise cancellation for a flight-like environment. Rear MBUX tablet, 6 USB-C ports, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, AR navigation, wireless charging, AI voice control. Hey Mercedes, learns preferences, tied to biometric profiles. MBUX hyperscreen with AI adaptive UI, AR navigation overlays, gesture control, biometric unlocking, sets profiles, digital key via smartphone. Active systems, Distronic adaptive cruise, lane keeping/change assist, active steering, blind spot, cross traffic, e-brake, emergency stop, parking assist with 360 camera, mood. Lighting changing, seat functions, champagne cooler. AR display, fingerprint login. Under the hood S580, 4.0L twin-turbo V8 plus 48V mild hybrid equals 496 horsepower/516 lb-ft, 0 to 60 miles per hour. 4.7 SS680, 6.0L twin-turbo V12 equals 621 horsepower/738 lb-ft, 0 to 60 in 4.5s. Both use 9-speed automatic plus 4matic AWD, ECO start/stop. E-active body control scans road and adjusts suspension per wheel for ultra-supple ride. Rear axle steering, optional 10 degrees, standard 4.5 degree. Titan's turning radius for a 22M car. Active noise cancellation plus cabin insulation yields 64 dB at 70 miles per hour. Almost silent cruising. Drive modes with dynamic select, shift demeanor from serene to spirited. 2025 Maybach S-Class elevates luxury beyond indulgence, it's art, tech, emotion. From armored quietness and airport jet comfort to horsepower that silently demands respect, this limousine redefines excellence. It's not just for the driver or passenger, it's for the discerning soul who demands the absolute best. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like and subscribe for more ultra-luxury car reviews and insights. Until next time, drive in luxury.